Pro level espresso everywhere you go? Let's check it! It looks surprisingly premium, clean design, compact size, and it uses a real 58mm setup, which already makes it feel more like proper espresso equipment. Design-wise, the Press58 looks clean and modern, with a minimal style that feels premium. It runs with 9 bar extraction pressure with pick up to the around 20 bar, which helps create proper espresso crema. The machine weighs about 825 grams, so it stays portable but still feels solid. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking the Press58 espresso machine from MHW 3BOMBER. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. Now let's see what we get inside the case. The espresso machine itself, a stand so you can position the machine steady, a tamper to compress your coffee grounds, including a silicone mat, and this is a very important dosing ring, as well as a cleaning brush to keep things clean. There are some 58mm filter paper, and of course a Type-C USB charging cable, and a standard manual book. Now let's brew a double shot of espresso. Connect the filter to the basket, put on the dosing ring. I use 18 grams of ground coffee, and we use our tamper to finish the process. The espresso pack is ready. Let's connect it to the machine. Now we use the stand, which is really practical. For my opinion, this stand is a little bit too short, so you can't really place higher cups here. Now let's fill up the water. You can use cold water or boiled water. By pushing the button 2 seconds, the machine starts heating itself. If you use cold water, the process will take 2 to 4 minutes. When you hear the second beep, the extraction will begin in 10 seconds. Let's just enjoy the moment. The extraction actually looks very clean and balanced here. The espresso has a rich color and a nice syrupy texture. You can see it's pulling a real espresso style shot, not just strong coffee. At this point I was actually pretty impressed with how the espresso turned out. Visually, this shot looks better than I expected. This is another shot that I took, and yes, the espresso tastes really good, rich, smooth and well balanced. If you want a decent shot of espresso without being tied to your kitchen, the Press58 is a great choice. It's a fun and capable machine that delivers strong shots with a great crema. It's especially cool for travel, outdoor coffee, and anyone who loves hands-on brewing. Thank you so much for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.